Welcome. So if you want to learn about the video tag in HTML, this video is for you, so stick around and enjoy. Welcome to a new video. In this video, as you can see on the desktop, we're going to be looking at the video tag. So before we start, just grab some couple of videos and pictures on your desktop. So you're gonna follow up in this series. So now let's get started. Let's save a new file. To save this on the desktop as video.html, then we'll type in the title, video tutorial. So in the body, we're going to create the video tag, which is just video. Then we're going to add some attributes to this video tag to make it function. So the first attribute we're going to add is the source attribute. So now in the source attribute, we are going to specify the name of the file and the file type. So our file is on the desktop where our video.html is. So I'm just going to copy this. Then after copying that, you go to the properties of the video. Then check the file type, which is .mp4 here. So we'll go back to our text editor. I will paste in that and we'll type in .mp4. So let's save this and open up in the browser. So you can see here we have our video, but it's just too big and it's not even playing, doesn't have any controls, just there. So to style this video, we can add more attributes. So the first attribute we are going to look at is the width attribute. So let's type in width, just like for the image tag that we did in the previous video. So let's give it a width of 600 pixels. Then we save this. Then we'll go to our browser and we'll refresh this. So you can see we have the video in a more organized shape. So now you can also add an height, which I highly don't recommend because the browser automatically adds height to the video when you add a specific width. So now we have looked at two attributes: the source attribute, the width attribute, and the height attribute. So now the next attribute we are going to look at, the attribute that is going to make us to be able to play our video, is the controls attribute. So just type in controls and you can remove this. Then you save the file, then just refresh the browser. So here we have the controls for the video. So now we can play the video.
Thanks to Shopify for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. Okay, so I am running the risk of making myself look pretty old, as I had passive income
or move it backward,
and a full decade that I've
pause this. Now let's head back to our browser and add more attributes. So the next attribute we are going to be looking at is the autoplay attribute. So you just type in autoplay. So this makes the video automatically plays when the browser refresh, or whenever the browser is refreshed, the video is going to play by itself. But maybe because of something, mine is not working. I don't know why. So you can try that on yours, maybe it's gonna work. Or let's try something else. Let's refresh the browser. It's still not working. So maybe because of some sorts of thing, I don't know why. Maybe some browsers don't support it, but it's not working on my PC. But it actually works because I've tried it a lot of times. So now the next attribute you're going to look at is the loop attribute. So just type in loop. So this makes your video replays whenever the video is done. It automatically replays by itself. So let's refresh our browser and let's play the video right here.
Because as always, I'm not your dad. Thanks to Shopify for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. Okay, so I am running the...
So you can see that the video started by itself without you playing it or anything. So whenever you add the loop attribute to the video tag, the video automatically plays by itself whenever it's done. So now let's head back to our text editor, and the final attribute you're going to look at is a very unique attribute, but it's very good and I really love it. Is the poster attribute. So the poster attribute is used to give the image, it's just like a thumbnail. So it gives the image a picture instead of just having, let's look at this. Instead of just having this picture right here, because of it's in the image, it's in the video, you can add a picture to it that just makes it better. So now I got a picture on my desktop, so let's check that out. So the picture is one, so and the file type is .png. So let's one.png. So let's head back to our browser. So in the poster we're going to write one.png. So let's save that up. Then we go to our browser, then we refresh. So you can see instead of having the Spotify or whatever in the video beginning, we just have this nice image. So whenever we play the video, it's going to bring the video.
Thanks to Shopify for sponsoring this video.
And it's going to play. So that's majorly the attributes that we have for the video tag. The source attribute, if it's not working, you can just add a source tag itself and type in the name of the video dot whatever the video is, then you save that, then you head up to your browser, then when you refresh you still get what you need. So that's all the attributes we are going to be looking at in this video. And also there are also other video types like .mp4, .webp and others. So and also the video tag, as you can see, is not an empty element like the image tag that doesn't have a closing tag. So I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so this is the review section. So now, what is a video tag? The video tag is used to add videos to your website, as we see when we did the practical, and it's not an empty element like the image element, which is an empty element, and it is represented with just the video inside the angle bracket. So let's look at the video attributes. So the first attribute is the source attribute, as I explained in the video, that it is used to specify your file type and file name. So the controls is used to insert the controls to the video, which also makes the video displays in the browser, and the autoplay makes the video automatically plays when the browser loads, and the loop attribute makes the video loop, which like the video replays whenever the video is done, and the poster is just like a thumbnail. It's used to insert a picture on the video. So maybe probably you put a picture that describes the video, so the viewers know what the video is about before playing the video, and the type is used to specify the file type like .mp4 or, but I recommend not putting that because it sometimes causes your video not to play. And the last one is the width and the height. So it used to give you your video a width and height. So that's all about the video tag attributes. So you also said you can put the source the source tag itself in case your video tag attribute does not work, which I haven't seen before, but in case it doesn't work, you can just use the source tag for that. So that's all about the source tag. So what I will say is this is just used to add video through a different way by embedding the source tag into the video tag. So in the source tag, you see a source attribute. You have to add a source attribute also, and this source tag doesn't have a closing tag. So this is also one of the elements without closing tag. The first element we looked at without closing tag was the image element. So this is another element without closing tag. So I want you to take note of that. We have the image element without closing tag, also the source element without closing tag. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button to get notified on new content, and also leave comments in the description box. Mainly ask questions in the description box. I will surely reply to you as soon as I get them. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and we'll see you in the next video.